This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Ernesto Caldeira. Built in 1830, a stunning federal-style home, great mantels. Appropriately restored 1987, by Frank Masson. Unusual to find a property still in such good condition. Built for a planter, often described as a two-story Creole cottage. Enter by going down alley to flagstone patio to hall dominated by an impressive three-story staircase. It has separate guest apartment. Great kitchen wing, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3rd floor storage. Tile and wood floors. Great colors and dining room mural. For more information, review the details below or contact Ernesto Caldeira at 504-944-3605.